In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automation for weekly service jobs in Jobber Desktop. We'll walk through creating a recurring job so your weekly visits and billing can run on autopilot with clear details for your team and clients. Start by opening Jobber on your desktop and heading to the Jobs page from the left side menu. From there, select New Job to begin a fresh setup. Give the job a clear, searchable title, something like the service type and location, so it's easy to spot later. Next, choose the client associated with this job. Double check you've selected the correct profile to ensure the right contact and billing details carry over. If your workflow uses custom numbering, choose the job number, otherwise you can keep the suggested one. In the Visits section, this is where the automation comes to life. Switch the schedule to recurring, then choose the start date for the first visit. Set your start and end time so the calendar blocks accurately, or decide on your timing later if you only need the recurrence pattern for now. For how often it repeats, choose weekly. This sets Jobber to automatically generate a visit each week. If you need an end condition, click Ends after and specify either a number of visits or an end date. This helps keep schedules tidy and prevents open-ended jobs when they're not needed. Move to billing and automatic payments to match how you want to invoice these visits. Set your billing cadence and, if available on your account, enable automatic payments so invoices are charged without manual follow-up. Under Product/Service, add your line items. Type the service name, include a clear description, and enter the quantity and unit cost. Accurate line items mean faster approvals and fewer questions later. Use notes to capture any special instructions or internal details your team should see on site. When everything looks right, click Save Job. You'll now see the weekly visits created on your calendar and the billing set according to your preferences, keeping your recurring work organized and automated from day one.